everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a bike ride for Black Lives Matter. It was so many people out there. It was literally like at least 1,000 people out there riding their bikes. We rode all the way from Canal up to Harlem 121st Street and back. So I just decided to vlog the ride, and this is all the footage from the ride. If you guys want to see that, then make sure you just keep on watching. Strong feeling that I'm not going to be able to keep up with the rest of these bikers. I'm going to be left behind in the dirt. Alright, I'm just waiting for this thing to begin. I don't know what to expect. These lovely people let me use the restroom. These kids are doing tricks right here. Hoping that I can actually keep up. These look like some professional bikers, and I am no professional whatsoever. Come on, we can't be slowing down now. So hot. Thank God we stopped to take a break. About to move again. All right. All the way to 125th Street, y'all. I had to stop and get me some water. Alright, out here. Still going. Still going. Yes, vlog. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.